supporting files are created when we create a project. Okay, so that things we have explained in the last class. Okay, initialization file, this is project level setting, and now today we are going to create the application inside a project. Okay, inside the project, how to create the application. So create and configure the Django applications. So Django application is created to perform the particular functionality of your entire web application project. Okay, so first of all you need to create project. Inside the project we have to create the applications. So many application you can create. Suppose there is a one application, and inside the application we can create a banking withdrawal project, withdrawal application. uh, okay, withdrawal banking, like this way, ऐसे हम application create कर सकते हैं. Okay, deposit. So for example, login application, then registration application, polling application, feedback application, for example, we can create inside that project. So the application and the project in the Django. Okay, so application is the web application which is written to perform the business logic. Okay, project is the collection of configuration of files and application particular website. Okay, देखो प्रोजेक्ट हमने क्रिएट किया, सारे एप्लीकेशन का जो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन है वो कहाँ पे हम करते हैं, प्रोजेक्ट लेवल के सेटिंग में, सेटिंग डॉट पी वाई फाइल में. ओके, पूरा कॉन्फ़िगरेशन हम प्रोजेक्ट लेवल पे करते हैं. ठीक है, इस एप्लीकेशन का. और एप्लीकेशन जो क्रिएट होते हैं वो इनसाइड अ प्रोजेक्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, एंड एप्लीकेशन कैन बी द मल्टीपल प्रोजेक्ट. ओके, जो एप्लीकेशन है वो मल्टीपल प्रोजेक्ट के लिए यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, बिकॉज एप्लीकेशन रीयूजेबल है, इस प्रोजेक्ट की एप्लीकेशन दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट के एप्लीकेशन में यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एंड अ प्रोजेक्ट कैन कंटेन द मल्टीपल एप्लीकेशन. ठीक है, एक प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर मल्टीपल एप्लीकेशन यूज़ करते हैं, और वो जो एप्लीकेशन है दूसरे प्रोजेक्ट के लिए भी हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज द एप्लीकेशन आर द रीयूजेबल. ओके, नाउ हाउ टू क्रिएट एप्लीकेशन इन द Django. Okay, inside the project, so we have the command Django-admin start app and application name. Okay, start at application name. So how we can write? This is also the command you can use, but we can use the first one. Okay, so admin Django-admin start app. Okay, then you can write here application name. Okay, then we can check here. Suppose we have given the application name is web app. Web app is the application name. Okay, so there will be created like this way directory. Okay, this tree will be created inside the application. So let us go to our PyCharm. Where is our PyCharm? Okay, now BFSI is what? Project. Inside that project we are going to create an application. Okay, so now how we can create a Django? Okay, Django hyphen admin start app. Okay, and application name is web app. It's a application name. Okay, now enter. Okay, so now we can check here, we are not getting the any kind of error here, so that means web app application is created. Okay, now let us see here. Okay, perfect. So now inside the BFSI, it's a project name, and these are the supporting files are available in the project level configuration. Okay, and now the web app is the application name. Inside the application name there is a tree. Okay, migration, then again some of the files are created. Okay, inside the project 1 2 3 4 5 files are created. Okay, inside the application 1 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and 7 8. Okay, these also the files are created. Okay, see here views.py. Okay, so where you can write the views in the application business logic, where you can write the business logic in the view URL. Okay, so URL is available in the project level. You can also create a URL in the application level. How we can create, we will see the step by step. Okay, so now we can check here the tree structure of the web app. Okay, let us go to the web app. Okay, web app. Okay, now we are inside the web app. Now we can like here create here a tree. Okay, so this is the tree for what? Web app. Okay, so there are the some admin apps model. Okay, can check here what web app consists of the following structure. Okay, like this way we have the following structure. Okay, can see here the structure is created inside the web app. Okay, Okay, this is what a tree structure, right? So let us say I'm going to copy paste. Okay, we have that one. So web app consists of the following structure like this way. Okay, so what is the meaning of this file? Okay, initialization. Okay, that is also the empty file, that is considered as a what? Python package. Okay, that is considered as what? Python package. Okay, see here, this one, that is empty file. Okay, then there is a what? Admin, whatever the admin related activities we can perform in here. Okay, admin related activity. Then apps. Okay, we can create here the app's name. Okay, right, we can write the app. Okay, then models. Model means what? Database related. Okay, in this model we are going to write about database related. So now model. Okay, then views. Okay, model view, and here we can create a one folder that is named as a template. So that Django follows the MVT architecture: model, view, templates. Okay, view means business logic, template means static file, means there we can write a presentation. Okay, how our front end will be show, that is what we are going to write in the template. Okay, view is the business logic. Okay, and model is for what? Database. Okay, so this is what Django environment, Django architecture. Okay, so inside the application these files are created. What is the meaning of that? Okay, initialization means what? Initial package is created, that is considered as a empty package. Then admin related activities can be performed here. Apps related admin activities is performed here. Models.py, that contains a model level, means a database layer. Okay, then test.py. Okay, views we can write here the functions. Okay, means business logic we can write here. Okay, so let us see here. I'm going to copy paste this one first. Okay, up to the here. Yes. Today's class, Django 12. Okay. Okay. So create and configure Django project. What happened? Encoding. Any character is available here. Missing character. Encoding option. Which character is missing there? Which one is the character is missing? Encoding technique. Where is that character? Any special symbol are written here? Where is the any special symbol here? This one? That may be. Okay, what to do here? Just copy from here then. Okay, so web app. Okay, okay, this is what web app. Yeah, this is structure for the web app. हाँ, yes, tree के पास face. Hmm. Hmm. It's a command to view the structure. Okay. Okay, so here this is the problem here. Okay, so paste. नाउ अगेन द सेम थिंग, ओके। हाँ, ये इसके वजह से नहीं ले पा रहा है वो। टेक यूनिकोड, ओके, टेकिंग यूनिकोड, दैट इज ओके देन। हाँ, yes. So now this is the structure, okay, where app consists of like this way, okay. So now there is a one file, okay, this one, that is empty file. Let's tell to the one Python, this directory should be considered about Python package. So admin package, okay, so admin.py. So you can register your models here, okay. With Django, we'll use them with the Django admin interface, okay. So that is admin level, okay. So we are going to register the model. Model means what? Databases. जो हम database वगैरह use करेंगे. Okay, we'll see shortly. Don't worry. Okay, app. Okay, here you can place the application specific configuration. हर एप्लीकेशन क्रिएट करेंगे, हर एप्लीकेशन में ये सब कुछ क्रिएट हो जाएगा। तो हर पर्टिकुलर एप्लीकेशन का कॉन्फ़िगरेशन हम यहाँ पे करेंगे, ठीक है। उसके बाद है models.py. Models.py means that is related to the database model. Okay, so which Django automatically translate into the database tables. Okay, that is database level. Test PI, here you can store the test function to test your code. Okay, so sometimes if you want to use that code, okay, so there is a one test.py. You can write here what your Python code here, okay. So and you can run that one, you can test the code here, okay. So by default it is providing to test the code, okay. So you can write here anything. Suppose I am writing here L is equal to list is equal to something, okay. This is what list item, and we want to print here, okay, print what, L, okay. So you can test the code here, just right click and run here, okay, run the test, okay. So you can see here, you will get the output here, okay. Where is the output? L is equal to something, okay, yeah. So see, this is the output, okay. Yes, right. So you can test the code here, okay, inside the test, okay, ठीक है। कुछ कोड लिखना है, टेस्ट करना है, तो यू कैन यूज द टेस्ट डॉट पी वाई, दैट्स इट, ठीक है। वेयर इज माई टर्मिनल, ओके। ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ योर explanation of application related, okay. And most important thing is views, okay. So here we can handle the request and response logic for the web application. Means we are going to write a business logic for the particular application. Now consider university is the project and student is the application, another student, pass out student, exam center, that are the applications, okay. तो हर एप्लीकेशन का बिजनेस लॉजिक अलग अलग रहता है। सो जितने भी एप्लीकेशन है, हर एप्लीकेशन में व्यूज़ डॉट पी वाई रहेगा, जिसमें हम कोडिंग करेंगे, ठीक है। मतलब हम रिस्पॉन्स रिक्वेस्ट का लॉजिक लिखेंगे, पूरा बिजनेस लॉजिक हम कहाँ पे लिखेंगे, व्यूज़ डॉट पी वाई में, ठीक है। दैट इज़ व्हाट Django architecture. Then migration, that is very very important, okay. So this directory store the database, okay. यहाँ पे database store होता है, specific information as related to models. मॉडल्स में हम डेटाबेस की कोडिंग लिखते हैं, ओके, डेटाबेस रिलेटेड। एंड माइग्रेशन में कैसा रहता है कि डेटाबेस में स्टोर होता है डेटा, ओके। दैट इज दिस डायरेक्टरी स्टोर द डेटाबेस स्पेसिफिक इंफॉर्मेशन रिलेटेड टू द मॉडल्स। सो माइग्रेशन में हमको क्या करना पड़ता है, डेटाबेस को डेटा माइग्रेट करना पड़ता है, वो भी हम देखेंगे जब हम डेटाबेस का कॉन्सेप्ट स्टार्ट करेंगे। नाउ वंस वी क्रिएट अ application, we have to configure the application in the project, where in the setting.py, that is very very important. Once you created the application, you have to go to the project level setting and you have to add the application inside the project, okay. Inside the project we have to add, let us go, okay. See here, what is the project name? BFSI is the project name. What is the application name? This is the web app is the application name, okay, ठीक है। So now if you run this project, okay, you will get this, okay. But this application is not added to the project, okay. Then how to add application to the project? सबसे पहले जितने भी आपने एप्लीकेशन क्रिएट किया है इस प्रोजेक्ट में, इसको ऐड करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। तो कैसे ऐड करेंगे, गो टू द प्रोजेक्ट लेवल डायरेक्टरी एंड देर इज अ व्हाट, setting.py, okay. Yes, in the setting.py you can go to the installed app, the list of the installed app. This is the list. Okay, yes, installed app में जाना है. Then you have to add here what? Application name. Okay, what is my application name? Web app. ठीक है, and comma. Yes, is there any doubt? कुछ डाउट है यहाँ पे, बताओ. क्या करना है सबसे पहले? नाउ यू टेल मी. दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हेलो. It's required to two-way communication, that is required. First of all, you have to create a project. Okay, how to create the project? What is the command? Project name. Okay, once you create a project, this file is created. Okay, after that you have to create what? Application inside the project. Okay, go to the project directory and application name. Okay, start app and application name. Okay, once you create the application, so again we have get the some applications. Okay, so that is what views.py something something. Okay, so you can write here business logic in the views.py. So we need to add this application inside the project level. Then go to the setting.py. Okay, so we have to add here in the installed app. Installed app you have to add here application. Okay, yes, now we know this thing. Now I want to write one code, I want to execute this application. Okay, then how? Okay, this is the thing we did right now. Okay, go to the installed app and add the end or start provider recently created. Okay, so go to the installed app and you can add there. Okay, this is the thing. Now let us go to the real-time project. Now let us start our project. Okay, so we can say here install. I'm going to write here. Okay, just a copy paste here. Okay, so this is example user defined app. So we created the user defined app, that is what? Web app. Okay, web application we created. So we have to add like this way. Okay, ऐसा add किया. Now so in the views what we are going to write? In the views business logic URL, you can provide the URLs. Okay, so now let us see some URL. What is URL and what is views? Okay, just one thing. Okay, we know the structure. Okay, so views means what? We can write here business logic. Okay, inside the web application there is a views. Okay, a URL means what? You have to provide here pattern, URL pattern, link. Okay, URL provide करना पड़ेगा. How URL views are working? Okay, so how is the URL view कैसे work करते हैं? Okay, let us go to the here Google and you can say how URLs. Let us show you one diagram work in Django. Okay, one of the diagram I'm going to show you how the URL is fetch the request and response. Then we are going to create. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, this diagram is better. Yes. So URLs. Okay, URLs forward request. Okay, so in the URL that is a link. Okay, so that is request to the browser. Okay, so URL you are providing, for example gunwanmankar.com. Okay, that oblique contact us. Okay, so it will redirect to where views, where the my reviews are written. In the views what is going to be written? Business logic. Mean this request is what is going to be performed. Okay, this request what is going to be performed, the business logic is written here in the views.py. Okay, so that is what views.py is the business logic is written. Then it is give to the HTTP response in the HTML format. Okay, gives the HTML response. Okay, views business logic लिखा है. Okay, HTTP response in the HTML format. Okay, that is in the form of templates or anything. Okay, if you don't have the template, so it directly will get the HTML request response. Okay, so the user is giving the request in the form of URL. यूजर क्या कर रहा है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ URL रिक्वेस्ट दे रही हूँ ओके समथिंग URL gunonmanka.com ओके स्लैश समथिंग और समथिंग 127.0.1 जो भी पोर्ट नंबर है then oblique okay then it will check go to the views is there any business logic is written in the views.py it will be checked okay then what is going to be performed that is totally depend upon the views then it will give the HTTP response okay to the user. So we don't have the template and model right now in our application. So we'll implement a template. We will implement the models. Okay, models that is what a database and template is for static file HTML, CSS, JavaScript file will be there. Okay, and now okay, so we can see the diagram. Okay, so diagram is we can check any diagram no problem. Next one, let us we are going to create one live project. Okay, so we are going to work on that one. How we are going to write the views. Okay, so how we can write the views okay so okay so just I am going to copy paste this one first of all okay what are the steps that is very important live example for the views on URL okay so these are the step 5 let us I am going to copy paste here okay live example on views and URLs okay how to implement views and how to implement URLs okay so the step 1 we need to create what first of all create a project then create go to the inside a project then create a application okay then go to the manage.py you can start the run server whether it is working properly or not okay then you can go to the what okay then you can go to the where any IDE okay we can integrate open that one okay then do required setting in the app configuration and install app okay we need to do such a configuration first of all we are going to perform these steps okay go to the here and I am going to create here the new project okay let us close this everything okay I am going to create here new project okay so let us write here cd dot okay and now how to create a project Django hyphen admin okay then start a project okay the project name okay I am writing here what first Django project okay is it okay first Django project okay let us see this project is created or not yeah perfect we can check here. Yes, first Django project is created, supporting file is also created. Now go to this directory, okay, first Django project, okay, inside the directory, right. Now what to do? Create a app. How to create a app? Django hyphen admin start app, okay, start app. So I am writing here what? First app, okay, first app, okay. Yes, start app, first app. Now let us see the app is created or not. We can create a many applications inside the project. Okay, see the first app is created or not. Yeah, created. Now, do you want to run this project? Yeah, of course you can run this project. Okay, how you can run the project? Python manage.py. Okay, run server. Is it okay? Python manage.py run server. Yes. Let us see our installation and our project will be created that is okay or not okay it is ready to use or not okay so let us click on here or you can copy that one open the browser and you can hit the URL okay any browser and you can hit the URL okay what is the default port number is 8000 okay so you are ready to okay you are ready for the project so all the install work successfully and congratulations you can ready okay so all installation is perfect okay and now let us close the stop the server. Okay, now. So now what to do? We have to add the app first. Okay, in project level directory. Go to the project level directory. Okay, this is project level. Go to the setting and we have to add the app. Okay, installed app. Go to the installed app and add the app. What is the app name? First app. Okay, FIRST first app and give here comma. Okay, and save it. Okay, so we added the app or not? Yeah, we added that one. Now go to the views. Okay, go to the views. Which views? Project level or app level? This is, we need to go for the app level. Okay, views are going to write particular बिजनेस लॉजिक पर्टिकुलर ऐप के लिए हम लिखते हैं, ठीक है, पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस लॉजिक पर्टिकुलर ऐप के लिए लिखते हैं। तो जो बिजनेस लॉजिक है, जो कोड है, हम कहाँ पे लिखते हैं? व्यूज़ में लिखते हैं। ओके, व्यूज़ में क्या होता है? HTTP request response. Okay, we can manage, configure the HTTP request and response. So now I am going to write one views. Okay, so what are the types of the views? That is most important question. Okay, an interview they definitely will be asked. What are the types of views? Okay, what are the types of views? Okay, let us see here. First of all, we did this one first step. Okay, after the installed, okay, what we did? First step. Which first step we did? Okay, activity is required for the application. We have to add our application in the setting.py. Okay, how we add? This one. Okay, what is the name? First app. Okay, we added that one, correct? Okay, we have added here. Now next one, what we need to do? Okay, create the views. We have to create the views. Okay, how we can create the views? There are the two ways for creating the views. Okay, two ways where we can create the views. That is very very important now. Okay, so the second one is what? Create a views for business logic. Okay, उस application के लिए business logic लिखना है, तो create a views for the application to provide a required functionality inside the views.py file which is present in our application. Go to the views.py and before writing the views, just understand what is the views. Okay, just understand what is meant by the views. Okay, so there are two ways. देर आर टू वेज टू क्रिएट द व्यूज। ओके, कौन से टाइप है? एक है फंक्शनल बेस्ड व्यू और दूसरा है क्लास बेस्ड व्यू। ओके, दिस इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट। ओके, एज अ पार्ट ऑफ इंटरव्यू। ओके, एज ए एक्सपीरियंस कैंडिडेट, ओके, रियल टाइम में क्लास व्यू व्यूज ही क्रिएट करते हैं, फंक्शन बेस्ड व्यूज बहुत कम यूज करते हैं, ठीक है। ओके, रियल इंडस्ट्री रियल टाइम वी यूज द क्लास बेस्ड व्यूज। क्लास बेस्ड व्यूज क्या है, ये परफेक्ट टाइम नहीं है बात करने का, ठीक है। सो इसको क्लास बेस्ड व्यूज हम बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे, ठीक है। सबसे पहले हम ये डिस्कस करेंगे कि फंक्शन बेस्ड व्यूज। ओके, FBV CBVs। ओके, function based views, so we can create the function inside the where views.py। ओके, हम क्या करेंगे? फंक्शन बेस्ड व्यूज क्रिएट करेंगे अभी, फंक्शन बेस्ड व्यूज। ओके, सो वी हैव टू डिफाइन द व्यूज फंक्शन विच इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल प्रोवाइडिंग द यूजर रिस्पॉन्स टू द एंड यूजर। सबसे पहले यूआरएल ओपन करेगा, यूजर हिट करेगा रिक्वेस्ट, और रिक्वेस्ट कहाँ जाएंगी? व्यूज में जाएंगी। ओके, दैट इज अ जैंगो आर्किटेक्चर, राइट? रिसेंटली आई हैव एक्सप्लेन दैट वन। रिक्वेस्ट कहाँ जाएंगी? व्यूज में जाएंगी, बिजनेस लॉजिक में, वहां से आपको रिस्पॉन्स जाएगा यूजर को। ओके, क्या फंक्शनलिटी प्रोवाइड कर रही है उसको रिस्पॉन्स जाएगा यूजर को, ठीक है। बाय यूआरएल टू व्यूज टू यूआरएल लाइक दिस वे। ओके, so we need to add the functionality where views.py। okay, so let us create a one function। okay, so let us create a one function inside the what? views.py। okay, right? So how we can create here? Okay, so now let us, we are going to create that one views। okay, so this is the step, I am just going to copy paste here। okay, right? So how we can create the view, means inside the views how we can create the function, that is what function based view। okay, function based view। Now go to the here, Okay, now go to the here where see here inside what go to the inside views dot py. Okay, views dot py. Okay, now let us go to the here views dot py. Okay, so here okay, so we have to define here the function. Okay, we are using here functional base view. Okay, functional base. ठीक है, क्लास बेस व्यूज हम बाद में देखेंगे. ठीक है, so now you can see here, we can check here from Django dot shortcuts import render. That is what is the type? Render request. Okay, that is what render request. Okay, that is for responsible for response. Okay, render request and response. Okay, render is what importing the render. You can say that is what template context dictionary. That is responsible for the HTTP request and HTTP response. Okay, that is for the HTTP response. So we know that how we can write, how to import the package, है ना, आपको पता है, from directory name and import this one. Okay, from package name and import function. Okay, from this one import. Okay, so this is recommended. Okay, मैं आपको पाइथन पढ़ा रहा था ना, उस टाइम पे मैंने आपको बताया था कि पैकेज इंपोर्ट कैसे करते हैं, है क्या नहीं. उस टाइम पे मैंने 3 सिंटैक्स दिए थे आपको. ओके, फ्रॉम इंपोर्ट लाइक दिस वे स्टार एस्ट्रिक, है ना. तो उस टाइम पे मैंने आपको बताया था कि दिस इज रिकमेंडेड. ओके, फ्रॉम पैकेज नेम इंपोर्ट हियर फंक्शन नेम, है ना, और वेरिएबल नेम जो भी है. तो हमको आपको बताया था उस टाइम पे मैंने एडवांस पाइथन में कि दिस इज रिकमेंडेड इन द रियल टाइम. ओके, सो वी नीड टू नो दिस थिंग. ओके, वी हैव टू नो दिस थिंग. पाइथन आना ज़रूरी है. ठीक है, सो नाउ वी आर राइटिंग हियर. ओके, वन स्टेटमेंट, दैट इज व्हाट, from. Okay, Django. Now we are using the Django library. Okay, inside the Django we are using what, HTTP response. Okay, HTTP. Okay, HTTP. Okay, so from this library, okay, Django dot modules. Okay, you can say the module library, everything. Django dot HTTP, we have to import what, we have to import what, HTTP response. Okay, we have to import what, import what, HTTP response. Look at here. Okay, look at here, how many responses are here. Okay, HTTP request, HTTP response, we want here response. Okay, so take here what, HTTP response. Where is the required response? Yes. Okay, observe carefully, that is very important. We need response, so we can write here. Okay, from Django.htp, let us import HTTP response. Now create a function. Okay, how to create the views, how to create the function in the Django, sorry, Python. चलो मुझे बताइए फंक्शन कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं पाइथन में, कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं. हाउ टू क्रिएट अ फंक्शन इन पाइथन. ये फंक्शन है, इसको कैसे बताएंगे कि ये दिस इज द फंक्शन. हाउ टू क्रिएट द पाइथन, आई तो क्रिएट, हाउ टू क्रिएट द फंक्शन इन द पाइथन, प्लीज टेल मी. यस, हाउ टू क्रिएट अ फंक्शन इन द पाइथन, कैसे डिफाइन करते फंक्शन को. कहाँ पे, मैं आपको पूछ रहा हूँ हाउ टू डिफाइन द फंक्शन. हाउ टू डिफाइन द फंक्शन इन पाइथन. पाइथन में एडवांस पाइथन पढ़े हैं, वहाँ पे हमने फंक्शंस पढ़े, क्लासेस पढ़े हैं, फंक्शंस क्रिएट किए हैं, कॉल किए हैं, कैसे किए हैं. हम कैसे बोलेंगे कि दिस इज द फंक्शन. जैसे सम नाम का फंक्शन क्रिएट किया और सम के अंदर हमने कोडिंग किया है, उस फंक्शन को डिफाइन कैसे करते पाइथन में. df is the keyword. Okay, def, that is what define. ठीक है. So this is the keyword we use. Okay, def है ना, define. You can write here what function name. Okay, something I am going to write here what show. ठीक है. This is what function name, right? Okay, and we have to give here what is this indentation. Okay, right? What is the function name? Show. Show is the function name. ठीक है. def is a keyword, है ना. पाइथन में क्या करना पड़ता है, def कीवर्ड यूज करना पड़ता है कि नहीं फंक्शन डिफाइन करने के लिए. Then you can write here the code of this function something, है ना. So now what I am going to write here, okay, just I am going to write a single line, okay, to give the response like this way. Okay, suppose, and here this is what we imported, what response. So let us I am to give the response, so you can give any variable name. Okay, it's a just a variable name. Okay, res or response or anything. Okay, it's a just a variable name, just a argument we are passing there, that's it. Okay, you can pass anything there, no problem at all. Okay, and now I am using here return. Okay, and returns one http response. Okay, I am returning here what http response. Okay, http response, that's it. Okay, which response you want to give there. Okay, so I am writing the response. What response I am writing here, what welcome to Django. Okay, welcome to Django. Is it okay? Return http response. Okay, return spelling mistake. Yeah, return http response. So now जब भी URL को हिट करेगा यूज़र, कहाँ पे जाएगा वो, व्यूज़ में. व्यूज़ में क्या लिखा है कि ये रिटर्न करना है, क्या, वेलकम टू जैंगो. ठीक है, ये आपको रिटर्न करना है. ठीक है, यस. सो दिस इज व्हाट हाउ टू डिफाइन द function, okay, inside the views. Okay, so semicolon, no semicolon will be there, right? HTTP response, we given here the response. Okay, so yeah, what here error is showing, let us check the error first. Any error, blank space one found, def show any response. Any more blank spaces we use. Okay, and again it's showing the something kind of request. Okay, what is there, something missing? Function definition. Okay, def function name parameter decorators. Okay, no issue. Okay, next can see here response request. Okay, anything you can take, no problem. Suppose it's taking the request, so any parameter can use request that is not related this one. Okay, this is a request is taking and we are returning that one. Okay, so how we can write that one? Okay, the response and render expense. Okay, is there anything class and return the HTTP response, or simply can you write here return? Okay, again showing this one. Okay, no problem. HTTP response can give here inside what, this one. Okay, so each view should take the at least one argument as a request. Okay, हर views में एक ये चाहिए, क्या बोलते हैं, argument चाहिए. So we are taking here what req, so we can take here request also. Okay, no problem, req लिखो या request लिखो, but we need the one arguments will be there. Okay, so HTTP response, and this we are going to write the response. Okay, so can I use here inside that one h1. Okay, leave it this one right now. Okay, now let us go to the configure the views. Okay, so let us go to the project level directory, and project level directory, that is what URLs. Okay, we have to configure the URL. Okay, so that is very very important, how to configure the URL. Okay, so now we can check here what URL pattern. Okay, so you need to write here what path. So you can write here what I am writing here what home. Okay, that is what home I am writing. Yes, and this comma, in the comma I need to provide here what, we need to provide here what, the views name. Okay, what are the views, that is what show. Okay, this same name you need to provide here, show. Okay, how we can write this one, show dot show dot views dot show. Okay, how we can write views dot show. Okay, that's it. So now views dot show is from what, views dot py, so that means you have to import views dot py. Then how we can write, from views dot py. Okay, from views dot py import, import what, from views dot py import what you have to import. Okay, what we are going to import from views dot py, we can import everything. Okay, how we can import everything, views dot py import views, no, from views dot py we can import okay, so let us see that one, we need to import that one. Okay, the URL we need to import one the response, so from the views dot py. Okay, views dot one, so you have to import the views. Okay, yeah, import, we have to import the views. Okay, from application, because this is what project level, so we need to write from, what is the app name, from first app import. Okay, views, that's it. Okay, so views dot show, that's it. Okay, from first app. Okay, what is the application name, first app, from first app import views. Okay, yes, so we can check here the URL. Okay, from web app import views. Okay, import views, so we can seek here the directory. Okay, let us go through here, views dot show. Okay, yes, can see here any error is there, no document is there. Okay, in which I have written then. Okay, go to the first tab and go to the views. कहाँ पे लिखा मैंने, यहाँ पे तो है. Okay, yes, this is the statement views I have written here. Okay, and now go to the URL of the project level, and from first tab. Okay, is this okay, first tab, and import the views. Okay, from first tab import the views. So what mistake, install package in the app. Okay, no documentation is found. First app spelling is okay na, FIRST, first app import is views. कुछ मिस्टेक हुई क्या यहाँ पे, जरा चेक करिए. We are importing the views, we are importing from the application, because all those views are written in the application. Views कहाँ पे लिखते हैं, application में, तो हम views import कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. ठीक है, so views is here something written. Okay, yes, I got my mistake here. Okay, yes, perfect. So I did some mistake here, that's why. Here, and then I'm going to use here, go to the URLs. Okay, again the same thing is showing. Is there any mistake? First tab, project level. What mistake is showing in the project? Views.py. Okay, same mistake is there. What would say? Okay, I'm taking here H1. Okay, inside that one, H1 semicolon is required. It's enough. No, okay. HTTP returns, HTTP response. Like this way, we can also write. Semicolon is not read इधर यहाँ पे रेड मार्क ही है. Okay. To write the returns response, something mistake. Okay. Because it's showing the here we need to create a object. Views.py में प्रॉब्लम दिखा रहा है. ओके. We written there Django in the views import HTTP response, and in URL where is the URL? Okay, in a project level URL we are importing that one. Okay, we are importing the application. Okay, yes, we are importing the application views dot function name from web app, import the views. That's it. Import path is already there. We need to import views. Okay, application name and this one views first name is my application. Okay, first first app, import views. Okay, go to the view once again. Can type here. Okay, something mistake is did here. Okay, inside that one. Okay, is it okay? So what I'm going to write here? Take this one H1. H1. Again same thing. Okay, so whatever I written, that is okay. Everything is okay. Go to the URL. Okay, first step import. So let us, I'm going to execute that one. Okay, let us, I'm going to run that one and then I'm going to see what is the problem is there. Okay, can go to the setting whether my app is added or not. Okay, go to the setting, project level setting. Okay, where this app is added. Okay, no problem. So now tell me how to run the project. Okay, so URL is provided, which one? Okay, this one, home. Okay, so now how to run the project? Django hyphen admin Run server. How to write? What is the command? How to write? Very good. Yes, Python manage.py run server. Okay. So let us see. Is putting taking any okay, so this will be not work. Okay, maybe where we need the URL is what? Home. Okay, it will be work, but we need the URL is home slash home. Okay, it will be work, not work. Okay, yeah. So what is the URL is provided? Hyphen. So okay, home. Okay, this path is empty. Yeah, correct. So now we now need to provide here home because we are written there home. Yes, home. Okay, and we are getting here what? Welcome to Django. Everything were perfect. Okay, हमारा जो भी लिखा था वो सभी था, और रेड मार्क आ रहा था तो उसी में टाइम पास कर लिया. ओके, यस. देखो क्या, वी प्रोवाइडेड द पाथ हियर. ये देखो, वी प्रोवाइडेड द पाथ हियर इन द URLs. ये देखो home. So now again I am going to write here only h. Okay, once again you can check that one. Okay, now you can refresh. You can refresh. That is a path. Okay, we don't have anything. So if you want to refresh, this is not a path. So page not found 4.0. Okay, 4.4, page not found. Okay, API testing. So now which URL you need to use? H. Okay, we given the H. So we are getting the response. Welcome to Django. So how it is work? First of all, create the project, create the application, add the project, add the application to the project. Then write the views and create a URL. Okay, then hit the URL. Okay, yes, yes, ठीक है कि नहीं? So we have to provide here this one. So now if you want to create open your own home page. Okay, so ये जो है हमको home page में open करना है. So we can provide a dot. Okay, we can provide a dot. ठीक है, आप dot provide कर सकते हो. ठीक है. So let us open here. Dot मतलब वर्किंग डायरेक्टरी है ना? क्या था अभी जो हमको URL मिल रहा है, वो कैसे मिल रहा है? 127. ओके, समथिंग समथिंग. ओके, and this is giving you what? Wrong URL. Okay, so we given here what? Dot. Okay, how we are going to use dot and everything we'll see later, don't worry about this one. Okay, we are providing here what means this is what current one. Okay, we have to configure that one. So right now we are providing what path here. Okay, something, and this views is working on that. So every views we are providing the every URLs. Okay, particular URL for the particular views. Okay, dot means a current working directory. That is what current. Okay, so we are getting here what something kind of error. Okay, so the same thing if you want to access here. Okay, so this is what URL is provided something. Okay, go to the here and the path you can give. Okay, suppose I am giving, you can say that is what home. Okay, that is one path is created. Okay, yes, can go to the here. This will not work. Okay, it will show this request error. Okay, so we have this path, which one? Home. Okay, so oblique home you have to write, so you will get the response. Okay, so how we are getting the response? From the views. Okay, from the views we are getting the response. So this is the URL we provided, that one. Okay, and there is also one URL, that is what admin level. Okay, okay, so this is all this admin level activities we are going to perform in the Django. ठीक है, ये देखो, you can create a user. Okay, how we can do this thing we'll see later. Okay, don't worry about this one. So that is what admin level URL is there. Okay, Okay, so this is one path and this is another path, that the path is we are created one. Okay, we have to do like this way. So now in this today in this class we created one views and we have run that one. Okay, by using the path. Okay, so okay, response not response. Okay, so then the step 6. Okay, let us, I'm going to copy paste. Okay, we got this response. So right now are you ready to create one project? Yes. अभी आप जो है फर्स्ट ऐप, ओके, ये जो कोड लिखा है मेरे पास वो थोड़ा मैंने अलग लिखा है, ठीक है। ठीक है, यहाँ पे व्यूज़ में आप देख सकते हो मैंने व्यूज़ में एक लाइन में ख़त्म कर दिया इसको।